I will show you how to merge and to multiply the two tables. Okay, so in this case, I will copy the DAX here, expression here, and then merge. So union, you can see in the you understand from the previous video already, but then I will show you step by step in this case. So I will return. I choose to return T1 first. Okay, so you can see here the mm, the table is like to generate the series from FY23 to FY25 in here, and then random number for sales, and then tag it as Indonesia. Okay, so two is the same thing, so the concept is the same, but you have different number due to the random function in here. So and the tagging is Singapore. The period is the same from FY23 to FY20, and then number 33 also the same. So if you want to combine the three market all together in the same place, and then you can have the table like this. Okay, so if you go back to the uh, reporting mode here, you can actually recognize the revenue from the three market. This one will be the DAX merging here. Okay, so you can put the year in here, and then the market, and then the sale, and then change this one to the pivot table. Okay, so this one is actually the revenue by uh, market and then by FY. So that's how this one work. So in the big in the real situation, you may have the big table of Indonesia for the like for the last 2 years, and then another big table from Singapore and Malaysia, and then you can use union. First thing, you need to load the table on into the DAX space, so you have to import, right click and import, and then the second one is just to union them all together. Okay, so that's how the union work. Let me do the same thing with the multiplication. So I also switch back to the uh, uh, table mode, and then I just multiply. So in this case, I have the FY for the 3 years in table 1. So this one is table 1. Let me return table 1 only. So table 1 is only like one year, one column with 3 years. Table 2, uh, you have 12 months. When you multiply the two together with the generate all function, then you have a 36 month in total in 3 years. So this one will be the mm, this one will be uh, the full combination, like for each year it will combine with 12 months, and then the next year also same thing, and then if you select one year only, you can see the 12 months. So like this, you have 12 months, and then moving to the next year, you also have 12 months, and then you have 36 months in total. Okay, so if you move this one to 26, then you will have 48 months. Sorry, 76. So you see here you have 48 in total, but then if you select all, then you can have 4 months, for 4 years. Okay, so that's how the multiplication of the two table works. And then this one is very helpful when you want to rectify the your data. For example, you have a missing month, but you have to combine the you have to display the month with the data and the month without the data. You can combine them all together. Okay, so there's one thing called the return. Normally, if you make a table like this, let me go to the table. Okay, So this one will give a return, if you return a table, a row of two columns here like this, and it will return many values. But when you return uh, f- a measure or a number in the in this expression, it only allow you to return one single value. And then if you want to return this value, you have to format it. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So in this case, I have the table with uh, two rows like this, and then I add the format in this case. So you can see that the different numbers in here. So whenever I change this one, uh, the, the the values in here also change. Okay, so let us start with the underscore. You can see here that you have the underscore here. Let me expand this one a little bit for now. So I can I need to I just forgot how to increase the font size in this case. Anyway, so let me okay. So if you want to uh, insert more values, so for example, I have x equal to 1, 2, 3, and then y equal to 2, 3, 4, and then this one is the sum of x and y, and then this one is the x minus y, and then you can return. Okay, so you can return the max and the min as well. So for example, if I want to let me put the dash the underscore in here, so that you can see the button, right? And then max. Okay, so this one is a little bit because the m is happen to be just happen to be the format. Okay, so this is a very terrible idea, but I will do it anyway. Okay, so I have to escape the whole thing, but then okay, so let me try to make it better. This is very terrible idea. So I will do this and this and this, min and then max. And then I want to I don't want to use the escape sequence anymore because it will a little bit complicated in this case. Okay, so whenever I want to return the values with the many values in the same expression, then this is the the way to do it. I just concatenate the values in one string, and then I return the string. So you can do this as well. S equal to the combination, and then return S. So it's the same thing. Okay, so I think this should be enough for you to understand the DAX expression. So you start with returning many values together, and then you use the slots or the symbols to store the values, and then you can reuse the symbols. You can divide a big expression into smaller one, the parts, and then you can reuse a symbol inside each part. You can return many values in the row in a table, but then when you go to uh, the the measuring mode, so this one is a measure, so you cannot return the many values anymore, and then you have to use the concatenation trick in order to return many values.